Welcome. If you've been wondering how to stop backing up videos and camera uploads on Dropbox, you're in the right place. It's a simple adjustment that can save you storage space and prevent your videos from automatically syncing. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps to turn off video backups while keeping your photos safe in Dropbox. First, open the Dropbox app on your phone or tablet. Once you're inside the app, look for the Camera Uploads option. This feature is designed to automatically back up all the pictures and videos you take. But sometimes you might want to exclude videos if they're taking up too much space, or if you prefer to handle them manually. Next, tap on Camera Uploads to access its settings. You should see various options related to how your photos and videos are uploaded and managed. Here, find the section labeled Include Videos. This toggle is usually turned on by default, meaning that Dropbox will back up all your video files along with your photos. To stop backing up videos, simply toggle off the Include Videos option. This action tells Dropbox to only upload images from your camera roll moving forward, leaving videos untouched and off the Dropbox cloud. Just remember, by turning off this feature, any new videos you record won't be automatically saved to Dropbox. If you ever want to change this back, just follow the same steps and toggle. Include videos back on, that's all there is to it. By adjusting these settings, you gain more control over what gets backed up and manage your Dropbox storage more efficiently. No more automatic video uploads taking up precious space or bandwidth. Thanks for watching, and now you know exactly how to stop backing up videos in camera uploads on Dropbox. If you found this helpful, make sure to check your settings and enjoy a more streamlined Dropbox experience.